Have you ever wondered what ONDC is and how it works? Let's start by breaking it down. ONDC stands for Open Network for Digital Commerce, a groundbreaking initiative launched by the Indian government. But what does it aim to do? Essentially, ONDC is all about democratizing digital commerce, leveling the playing field for businesses of all sizes. Picture this scenario. You're a small business owner, and you're reliant on a select few digital platforms to sell your products or services. Well, ONDC aims to change that. It's designed to reduce dependency on specific platforms, fostering a more open and equitable digital commerce landscape. This way, businesses can have greater control over their operations, and customers can have a wider range of options to choose from. Now that we've introduced ONDC, you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the workings of ONDC in the next scene. So what is the purpose of ONDC? Why was it created? Well, you see, ONDC, which stands for Open Network for Digital Commerce, was designed with a clear and noble purpose. It was created to provide an open and interoperable framework for digital commerce. Now, what does that mean? In simple terms, it's like creating a fair playground in the digital commerce world, where everyone can play by the same set of rules. The idea is to level the playing field for all stakeholders, be it small entrepreneurs, large corporations, or consumers. One of the main reasons for the birth of ONDC was to reduce the monopoly of large e-commerce platforms. These platforms, while they have made shopping very convenient for consumers, have also resulted in creating a sort of digital divide. Small businesses often find themselves at a disadvantage, unable to compete with the vast resources and reach of these large platforms. ONDC aims to change that. It's designed to promote innovation and competition, to give everyone a fair shot. By providing a shared and open digital infrastructure, ONDC is making it possible for even small players to reach out to consumers without having to rely solely on large e-commerce platforms. What's more, ONDC's open network architecture also paves the way for innovation. It allows businesses to come up with new and creative ways to reach out to and serve their customers. It fosters a spirit of competition, pushing businesses to continually improve their offerings and customer service, all with the aim of providing a better shopping experience for consumers. So, you see, the purpose of ONDC is quite clear. It's all about promoting fairness, competition, and innovation in the digital commerce space. It's about creating a more equitable ecosystem where everyone has a chance to succeed. It's about giving consumers more choices and better services, and ultimately it's about shaping the future of digital commerce to be more inclusive, more competitive, and more innovative. With that said, let's delve into how ONDC actually works. Now that we know what ONDC is and its purpose, let's understand how it works. ONDC operates on the principle of creating a unified and shared digital infrastructure. This is not just any digital infrastructure, but one that is open and inclusive, allowing for the seamless interaction and transaction of various stakeholders. So, how does this work exactly? To begin with, ONDC creates a common platform, a sort of digital marketplace, if you will, where various stakeholders can come together. These stakeholders could be anyone from suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers to customers, service providers, and even regulators. This common platform or shared digital infrastructure is what forms the backbone of ONDC. But creating a common platform is just the start. The real magic happens when ONDC enables these stakeholders to interact and transact on this platform. And this is where we introduce the concept of API, or Application Programming Interface Standards. In the context of ONDC, APIs serve as the communication channels between different platforms. They are the building blocks that allow different software applications to interact with each other. Think of them as translators, converting the language of one application into a format that another application can understand. This ensures the smooth interoperability of different platforms, which is crucial for the functioning of ONDC. Now, you might ask, what happens when a new player enters the market or an existing one decides to upgrade their system? Well, ONDC's API standards come to the rescue. These standards ensure that any changes, whether it's the introduction of a new platform or an upgrade to an existing one, do not disrupt the overall functioning of the network. They allow for seamless integration and interaction, ensuring that the digital commerce ecosystem continues to function smoothly. But it's not just about APIs. ONDC also incorporates other technologies like cloud computing and AI to further enhance its capabilities. Cloud computing allows for scalability and flexibility, while AI helps in personalization and predictive analysis, thus improving the overall user experience. ONDC's framework is designed in such a way that it not only allows for seamless interaction and transaction among various stakeholders, but also encourages innovation and competition. It provides a level playing field for all players, big or small, thus promoting a healthy and competitive digital commerce ecosystem. But there's more to ONDC than just its technical aspects. It also focuses on creating a transparent and trustworthy environment. It ensures that all transactions are secure and that the privacy of all stakeholders is respected. So in a nutshell, ONDC works by creating a shared digital infrastructure that enables various stakeholders to interact and transact seamlessly. It incorporates API standards and other technologies to ensure smooth interoperability of different platforms while also promoting innovation, competition, and trust. ONDC therefore acts as a bridge connecting different stakeholders in the digital commerce ecosystem. Now that we understand how ONDC works, let's discuss the advantages it brings to the table. The first major advantage of ONDC is the promotion of healthy competition. By providing an open and unified platform, it levels the playing field for all players, big or small. This means that even the smallest businesses can compete with larger corporations on a fair basis. No longer do the behemoths of industry hold all the cards, but every player gets a fair share of the deck. Another advantage is the stimulation of innovation. An open network fosters a dynamic and collaborative environment where businesses can freely share and adopt new ideas. This sparks creativity and drives innovation, leading to the development of new products, services, and business models that can better serve consumers. Speaking of consumers, they also stand to benefit greatly from ONDC. The network promotes consumer choice by offering a wide range of products and services from different providers. This means that consumers are no longer limited to what a single corporation offers, but can explore a vast marketplace teeming with diverse offerings. This ultimately leads to better products, better prices, and better consumer satisfaction. Furthermore, ONDC can be a game changer for small businesses and startups. It provides them with a fair chance to compete with larger players by eliminating barriers to entry. With the open network, even the smallest businesses can reach a global audience, scale their operations, and compete effectively in the digital commerce space. This not only helps these businesses thrive, but also fosters entrepreneurship and drives economic growth. Lastly, ONDC promotes transparency and trust. An open network is inherently transparent, and this transparency fosters trust among consumers and businesses alike. It ensures that businesses are held accountable for their actions, and that consumers can make informed decisions based on accurate and reliable information. In conclusion, ONDC brings a myriad of advantages to the table: increased competition, innovation, consumer choice, opportunities for small businesses, and transparency. It is a powerful tool that has the potential to reshape the landscape of digital commerce. ONDC has the potential to revolutionize the way we conduct digital commerce. Let's summarize what we've learned today about ONDC. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of the Open Network for Digital Commerce, an initiative designed to democratize and simplify digital commerce. We've explored its purpose, which is to create a shared, unified, and open digital commerce network that benefits all stakeholders. We've delved into how ONDC works, with its emphasis on ensuring interoperability, creating standards and protocols, fostering transparency, and promoting inclusivity. We dissected its advantages, which include access to a wider market, reduced costs, improved efficiency, and increased competition, among others. In essence, ONDC isn't just another digital platform, it's a revolutionary step towards a more equitable and accessible digital economy. It's an open invitation to everyone to participate in the digital marketplace, regardless of their scale or resources. As we move forward, ONDC might just be the game changer in the world of digital commerce. Stay tuned for more insights.